This is the Insta360 ONE, the camera that goes anywhere and sees everything. You can use it with your phone, on its own, or control it remotely with an app. It delivers 360 video in jaw-dropping 4K resolution and photos at 24 megapixels, so the moments you capture look as clear as they felt. Heading out on the water is easy with the One's waterproof housing. Life moves fast, and the One adapts. Thanks to 6-axis stabilization, the One gives you smooth video without sacrificing quality. You can broadcast 360 video live in 4K, so friends and family can be there with you. Here's the kicker. The One uses all-new free capture technology. Free capture lets you call the shots and turn any 360 experience into a perfectly edited, classic-sized video, all on your phone. Smart Track follows a subject and puts it center frame, so that you can be your own camera crew. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. Which got us thinking, what else can you do with a stabilized camera and invisible selfie stick? For the first time ever, epic bullet time shots are easy. With the One, you can capture your story without ever leaving the moment. Relive an experience just as it happened, or go back, look around, and take the time to get the perfect shot. It's all there. You just choose what to share. When your camera captures everything, you only need one.